Problem number 3, draw the shear and moment diagram of the beam shown in the figure. So first thing that we are going to do here is to compute for the reaction at A and the reaction at B. So in order for us to compute for the reaction at B, what we are going to do is to submit moment at point A that is equal to 0, taking the clockwise rotation as positive. So this 2000 here will create a clockwise rotation. So we have 2000 positive multiplied with the moment arm of 3 feet. So we have here 3. And this couple here at point C is counterclockwise and negative 4,800 pound-foot. So, hindi na natin siya multiply ng distance kasi moment na siya. And this RD here will create counterclockwise rotation. So, we have negative RD multiplied by the distance from point D to point A, which is equal to 12 feet. So, this is 12. And this is equal to 0. So, computing for the value of DRD, we have 2000 times 3 minus 4,800 minus 12x, and this is equal to 0. Shift solve equals, we have here 100 pounds. So RD is equal to 100 pounds. Since positive yung lumabas na sagot, meaning tama yung assumption that RD is directed upward. And computing for the value of RA, so we have to summate force as vertical is equal to 0, taking the upward direction as positive. So RA here is assumed upward, so we have RA positive minus the 2,000 pound here, which is negative kasi directed downward, plus RD, which is equal to 100 pound, is equal to 0. Bakit hindi natin sinama si 4,800? Because 4,800 is a moment, so sa moment lang siya kasama. Sa forces vertical, hindi siya kasama. So we have here RA is equal to 1,900 pound. And this is directed upward kasi positive yung lumabas na sagot. So meaning, RA here is equal to 1,900 pounds and RD here is equal to 100 pounds. Now, for the segment AB, since we already computed for the reactions of the support, so solve na natin, drawing na natin yung shear and moment diagram using the area method. Okay, so for the shear diagram, so we have 1,900 at support, that's upward, kasi positive. And kung makikita natin dito, ay our shear at 0 is equal to 1,900. And for the shear at 3, so that's 1,900 pa din, since we don't have the load between A and B, so still this is 1,900. And kung makikita natin dito, we have 2,000 pounds, so ibababa niya ng 2,000 pounds. So minus 2,000, so yung shear natin at 3 ay magiging negative 100. So at this point, we have negative 100. And yung shear natin at 9 is equal to negative 100, yung shear natin at 3, plus the area of the load between B and C. So since we don't have the load, so sa 9 is still 100 pa din. And kung makikita natin dito, yung shear natin up to 12 ay negative 100 din. Why? Kasi wala naman tayong area ng load between the C to D. So, dire-diretso lang yung 100 hanggang makarating siya dito sa point D. And this is negative 100. And that will be closed by the reaction at D, which is 1 kN upward. So, 0 na tayo dyan. And for the shear diagram, so ito yung shear diagram. Okay, so for the moment diagram naman, so for the moment at A, that is equal to 0. The moment at B is just equal to the area AB. And the area AB ay pangalanan natin area 1. So dito ay pangalanan natin area 2, and this is area 3. So the area from A to B is area 1. That is, the moment at B is equal to 1,900 multiplied by 3 feet. So we have 1,900 times 3, that is equal to 5,700 pound-foot. So 5,700 pound-foot. So meaning, yung moment natin at this point is 5,700. So since this is degree 0, meaning yung moment diagram natin dito is degree 1 by integration and plus 1. So we have this degree 1 here. And for the moment at point C, that is equal to the moment at point B minus the area 2. And the moment at point B is 5,700 minus the area 2, that is 100, multiplied by the distance of 6 feet. So we have here the moment at C is equal to 5,700 minus 600. Of course, that is 5,100. So 5,100 pound-foot. So dito ay magkakaroon tayo ng 5,100 pound-foot. And since this is degree 0, of course, we are expecting degree 1 here at the segment PC. So degree 1 is linear equation, so we have here a line. And the moment at point C, will be affected by the applied couple. So yung applied couple natin is negative, so that's 4,800 pounds. So yung moment at point C natin will be 5,100 minus 4,800. So minus 4,800, and that is equal to 300 pounds. So 300 pound-foot. So yung moment at C natin ay bumaba siya ng 300. So galing dito, papunta doon. If this is clockwise couple, aakyat yung ating moment diagram. Pero since it is counter, so bumaba siya. And the moment at point B is just equal to the moment at point C minus the area 3. So since we have here the moment at C is 300 minus, this is 100 times 3. So 100 times 3, meaning the moment at B is just equal to 0. So napasara na natin yung ating moment diagram. And as you can see here, we have degree 0. Of course, we are expecting degree 1 here. And that is just a line. So, kukonect lang natin to. And this is now our moment diagram. So, the possible questions na itatanong, the maximum positive, the maximum positive shear, 1,900, and the maximum negative shear is 100, and the maximum positive moment, of course, positive naman lahat ng moment dito. The positive moment here is 5,700. That's the maximum. And if we are going to, okay, hindi natin siya na-drawing, yung possible pala na, yung possible na bending na to. As you can see here, we have the positive area no? So, positive moment lahat to. So, yung possible na deflection nito is pagdating natin dito sa point of inflection, it will change. So, mag-change yung mood mo from positive moment since nakaalala ka ng negative, since negative here. Negative moment will make you sad. So, in here, sa point of inflection, mag-change from concave upward, it will change to concave downward. And of course, here at the support ay wala tayong deflection dyan. So, therefore, dadaan tayo dito sa support and sad. And like this. So, this would be the deflected shape for this case. And for problem number 2, we have here the negative moment. So, in here, since this is the location of the point of inflection, at the point of inflection, we have our so at the point of inflection, so dun mag-end yung curve natin. So at point B, of course, wala tayong deflection dyan. Since negative moment, so that you would be sad. Nakasimangot to siya. So it would be like this. Siyempre, magde-deflect to ng ganun kasi dahil dito kay 30 kN. And for the positive moment here, the possible deflection here is smiling, no? So from here, ay smiling na. Kasi positive moment nga, and it is a curve concave upward. No? So this would be the possible deflection if this is the loading condition.